Welcome back to the channel, Hobby1 Kenobi here. I am continuing work on the AFV Club M54A2. After the camo was painted, I sprayed a few coats of gloss to prepare the finish for decals and oil washes. Gloss coats are not always necessary for decals, but when applying several small numerals as you see here, I do need to move the decals into position and continually adjust them. Simply put, the gloss finish allows for the decals to move more easily. Decal setting solution is applied to decals. Then, once dried, the decals are covered by another coat of gloss in preparation for oil washes. Here, I begin mixing black and burnt umber thinned with terpenoid to create a milk-like consistency. The mixture is then applied liberally in all corners and crevices. The wash is ready to be removed once dried, but be sure that the wash truly is dry before trying to remove it. Dried wash should appear completely flat. If you see a glossy sheen, it is not ready. I prefer to alternate between Q-tips and a large, flat, soft brush to remove excess wash. If there are any large surfaces, like seen on aircraft models, paper towels also work well. The last few swipes of the brush should move in the direction the vehicle travels. wheels, I prefer to use a paper towel. Do not use toilet paper, as it will leave little pieces all over the finish. Here is the M54 after the wash was removed and a flat coat applied. That does it for this video. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.